Assalamualaikum everyone! Welcome back to Shanaya's Henna Art. Today, I'm sharing a beautiful Khafif Mehndi design tutorial specially for beginners. A lot of you have been asking me to post tutorials on paper, not just on hands. Let's start with a bold rose flower. There are two popular techniques for drawing this kind of flower: the Gulf technique and the Indian technique. In the Gulf technique, we begin by drawing a swirl in the center. Around that swirl, we create petals by pressing the cone directly. This gives the petals a bold and natural shape. It's the method I personally use the most because it's quicker and gives a beautiful finish. Now, let's look at the Indian technique. We start the same way, drawing a swirl. But instead of pressing directly for petals, we first outline each petal and then fill them in. This gives you more control and detail. You can use both techniques in different parts of your design. For example, when drawing veins or detailing inside petals, mixing these techniques gives a rich texture and depth. Love learning Mehndi like this? Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Next, we have mini flowers, also known as motifs. So, what are motifs? They're small design elements like flowers, leaves, paisleys, and geometric patterns. Motifs are perfect for filling spaces and adding intricate details to your Mehndi. Small touches like these motifs may seem simple, but they add so much beauty. They help balance the design, and in the end, they make your Mehndi look beautifully elegant. If you're a beginner, you can start learning Mehndi with my step-by-step classes already uploaded on my channel. They're perfect for beginners and cover everything right from the basics. Just click the button in the top right corner to start watching now. To complete this part of the design, we'll connect the elements using elegant lines and start building a stylish border. This step brings the whole section together, and that's it. These are the simple steps you need to follow to create this beautiful design. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any details. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. If you'd love to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. I always love hearing your feedback.